Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring both devices are powered and within 310M. That's essential for stable pairing. Once done, open the host app or the operating system settings and select Add Device or Pair. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled on both ends. If required, put the target device into discovery or pairing mode now. You should have any passwords, PIN, or the device QR code ready because delays can force a reset. So act promptly and follow the on-screen. Once you see the device in the list, select it and verify the device ID or model name to avoid linking the wrong unit. You will authenticate next. Enter the PIN or password shown or scan the QR code. Make sure to accept permission prompts for contacts, location, or files so features work. After authentication, configure network choices, sync frequency, and assign a clear device name. If asked, enable automatic updates. This prevents future compatibility issues and keeps the link secure. Finish setup by confirming the status shows connected, paired, or synced. Once done, run a quick test. Play audio, send a small file, or ping the device to verify real functionality. If the link fails, make sure to reboot both devices and retry. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth or Wi-Fi off and on fixes handshake errors. If problems persist, reset the network settings or remove and re-add the device to clear cached credentials. This one troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.